Hi guys, welcome. This is Breakout Masterclass, and I want to show you something today. As the title of this video said, avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. Guys, this video I call it crypto technical analysis 101, the best and the master planner of everything you need to know about analysis. Guys, avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. This is what I'm going to teach you in today's video. How to do the best analysis. Forget about everything you have been hearing. Those things are noise. So there are just some certain things I'm just gonna show you in this particular video, and trust me so well that if you follow this strategy, you are going to be killing it in the market. Okay, you are going to be seriously killing it in the market, guys. Follow this video up. So what am I going to teach today? I'm going to teach two things today, and it's the best, those things that you understand. I want to bring your mind back to those things that and I want to tell you that those things that still works and works best. Stop killing yourself to go and get what you in fact the thing I want to teach you the real thing that you need in crypto trading, and this is why we are here. So what are the two things I'm going to talk about in this video? I'm going to talk about support and resistance, and breakout regions. So how to trade breakout regions. If you see, I've been trading breakout regions and it's working for me. Sure, you get. I've been trading breakout regions and been working for me so well, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. Breakout regions and support and resistance. These are one of the key things you need in technical analysis. Okay, and once you understand these things in technical analysis, the sky will ever be your limit. So guys, let's get started with the video. So once again, I want to say, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well and click on the subscribe button and then subscribe to the channel. So guys, where are my breakout region? I'm just gonna mark it out right here. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about support and resistance. What is support and resistance? Support is a price level, is a level whereby the price of a coin has momentum. That is the level that the price of a coin bounce up to the upside. Okay, that is for support. While resistance is the level whereby a coin got sold and then start there and start dumping from that level. For example, when you see a support level, you actually know that it's either something, a breakout occur or a breakdown will occur. So guys, let's get started in this video. Let me show you from 4-hour chart on this particular coin, and once we get that stage, I don't want to show you much more things that happened in the past. I just want to show you something that just happened. So once a support is considered a critical support level, is when the price of that coin has bounced from that region 2 or 3 times. Remember, once a support is considered a critical support level, it means that the price of that coin has bounced from that region, has gotten support from that region 2 or 3 times. So what happens next? For example, look at this particular trade that we traded today, and if you are in my community, you will see that we traded this today. So what happened here? This particular coin got a support here. Remember, when this particular thing happened, this thing happened here, this area was not called support. Rather, we just know that this is an area of a bouncing, this is just a bouncing point. Okay, so we didn't call this place a support at first when all this place has not happened. Okay, now the price action of this coin continued to be on uptrend. Now it continues to pump, and then it reached this level which we are going to talk about in this video, which is a resistance. So the coin started dumping. This coin started dumping and reached this level, the same level. Watch one thing: technical analysis is spiritual, and it respects once you know what you're doing. So this particular coin here dropped at this particular level, okay, and got support there. It got support here, and the price bounced back. Remember, it dropped to 41 and pumped to 44, almost 45, 0.45. Okay, now as a technical, what did I do? We marked out this level, this region here. Okay, we marked it out as what? A point of interest, because price has been reacting to this level, so we need to mark it as a point of interest. And if we trace back, we can see that this point of interest is bouncing here because this level was a resistance level before, and this was a resistance that turned support. Sure you get? So this resistance turned support, and that's why it keep bouncing from this level. I hope you guys are understanding. Now, one thing, so this particular level was a resistant level that turned support. Immediately we got breakout here, we call this place support. Now, what did I do this level? So I now I mark out this level, and mark out this level, and mark out this particular level. Okay, so as a technical analyst, the next thing I do was what? I expect pump from here. And guess what? I still traded this level, because if you know me, I trade GMT well. I love the coin. I love the coin movement. So I still traded here. I entered here for long, but unfortunately something happened. That instead of it to pump higher, that I thought it would pump higher, it didn't pump higher. Rather, it cut from here and started dumping. And immediately that time, I closed off this trade. One thing that I noticed that this coin has, I closed off this trade and I was monitoring this level. So I was monitoring this level, and if you check my Twitter handle, if you check my group, let me show you guys my group. So this is my group, and immediately this level I said something here. Can you see that? So everything I do is documented. So I say something here. An important area to watch right now on GMT. If the price break below, then we are going to short it to the last line, which is this line below here. This is what I see, and the volume is also decreasing as well. The volume, the pressure of buys are decreasing as well on GMT. So I marked out here and enter short from here. And guess what? The price broke down. And as the price broke down, this is where it will got support from. First of all, it will got support from here. It will got support from here the first, and then here if you didn't hold. So guys, this is a particular. How many strategies did I use in this trade? I combine support and breakout strategy. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. This is the right trading, one of the best trading strategy I ever encounter. So it is a breakdown or breakout. And remember something that happened here, because I always document all I do. So this particular thing that happened here, something happened here. Now we are going to talk about breakout region. Breakout. Now what we just finished talking about right now is breakdown. So what about breakout? When this GMT was about to break out, I did something funny. And what did I do? I marked out this region. When the price was bouncing from here, I marked out what? I marked out this region. I marked out the region. I can remember the day I did this. So what did I do? I told myself that this GMT will have a breakout from this level. And once the breakout is confirmed, then we enter long. Guess what? What did I do? If you want to trade this particular trade, all you just need is put your time frame on a higher time frame. Don't use it on a lower time frame. Put on a higher time frame like 4 hour, 1 hour, and 1 day. Then mark out the structure. Okay, mark out your structure, your resistance, and your support. So in a breakout trading strategy, I mark out what? My support. So what you would do here is you place your entry at this level. To trade this thing, I'll place my entry at this level. So why will I place it at this level? I will place it above here. Above. I don't place it above. So that I will enter the trade when a confirmation of long, when I see a good confirmation that this coin is on, has broken out already, because I don't want to trade it when it's about breaking out. I want to trade it when it has broke out already. So I'm confirmed that what I do is to target the next resistance levels. So, and another strategy I do use is, I will say, enter the coin. If, for example, when this first candle is forming, then you say, enter this coin if the last candle close on breakout region. You enter the coin and then you hit it from there. So this is what happened here, and you can see that we got a breakout and this coin continued to pump till the next resistance level. Watch, avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. I want to tell you today that those things that you refuse, you say you don't want to learn. This is crypto. You don't want to learn all these things because maybe you think support and resistance is old trading. No, focus on the main thing. Avoid the noise. What happened here? It got to resistance level and it still start dumping. Share you get. So what I could have did here is what? I monitored this resistance level as usual, the same way I did here, to see if a breakout will occur or a breakdown will occur. So what? I will monitor this level, and the first instant hit, it couldn't break out. So I know this particular area is now what? Is now a weak point. So this particular one, you mark it one as what? Point of interest. You allow the price action to play its game. Once you allow the price action to play its game, it played its game as usual and continued trending. It reached the same level, the same area, and it got rejection again. You tap it. This is the area. We couldn't get a breakout from here. Then the next thing you do from here is you place like this and you shut it down. You put your stop loss above this particular high here. Make sure that your stop loss is above this particular high, because the price action will still react and price might still trend. So don't put a tight stop loss that will take you out of the market. Put a stop loss that will still keep you in the game. You understand, man? So you do it like this and you write down, it has happened. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. Sure you get. So this is it, and this is how this trade works. Watch well. So, man, for you to be profitable trading this strategy is when you need to be patient in trading this strategy. Make sure you are patient. And see, this is not small pips, guys. This is not small pips, guys. From this level, we got like this. You can see that this is not a small pips. This is not a small pips. So if you can check how many pips is this, you can see that this is almost 61.6% without leverage. Put leverage of 10, you get 600%. That's a lot of money. Trade it with $10, you get how much? You get $600. Sure, you get. You understand? So let's look about another coin and see what's going on. And the title of this video says, focus on the main thing, avoid the noise. What happened here? What happened in docs? My people, what happened in docs? Please, if you want to follow my group, do well and click the link on the description of this below and join my community. I have a group of community where we all young traders trade. So guys, this is what happened on docs. If you can see here that my two lines are still here. I did something crazy, man. So guys, what did I do? The same strategy. Breakout and support and resistance. Combination of breakout, breakdown, support and resistance. A good strategy to make money from the crypto market. So you mark out this region. Okay? So what did I do? I marked out this region. I marked out this region first because price has been bouncing from this level before. Remember, this thing has what played before. So I marked out this region, marked it out and keep. I marked it out like this and keep. When this price action was about to start, I said something. I still posted it in my group. Let me check. So you can see that I don't fake anything. This was that. Okay, this was AX. Okay. So let me check. It's not that okay, this is it. I don't fake what I do. I said it, and I don't fake what I do. So I said something here. Dox is pushing so hard to break out from this level. If the breakout happens, then expect Dox to pump to 0.25. Note. But on failure to break out, then a down movement will take place from this level. What to do now? To wait for the last candle to close. Closing above the line is a breakout, and a long set position closing below is a breakdown, and a short set scalp position. Remember what I said on the short? I said scalp. Note scalp position for short, because I know that the price action that docs will form here, you cannot long scalp, you cannot short scalp and keep staying in that trade. What I did, see, I shorted docs because of what? There was a price. This is a okay. See what happened here. So when it reached here, docs breaked out. Let me show you, because I don't fake anything I do. This long John Wick from the upper side to the downside was what I said about short scalp. Remember when I said breakout long, breakout and long set position, I didn't put scalp. But on the short side, breakdown and a short set scalp position. What is scalp? Quick trade, make money fast and come out. You understand? So I said, and it did happen. I short scalp and move out. And what happened after I have moved out from the trade? the main breakout, the next candle to formed above this particular level, and it was a sign that a breakout has occurred. And I went in and longed, and the coin started pumping to that to 0.27. And what did I say here? I said 0.25. So it's even pump above. And why did I say so? And when did it stop? It started dumping. The same thing. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing. It still started dumping from this level, which is a resistance level. Which is a resistant level. Mark it out and you will see that it was a resistance level. The same thing here, and it is also an on FVG. Avoid the noise and focus on the main thing, which is, if you check here, it is on 26. What will you do if you short this from here using your support and resistance strategy, which you all know, but you try to disturb yourself by learning what you don't know? Focus on the main thing. Avoid the noise. Focus on the main thing. Avoid the noise. These things worked. This doesn't mean that. Why I like this particular strategy is because you trade it when you have seen the confirmation. And I'm someone that loves teaching, so I don't want you guys to watch this video and not understand what I mean. So I mean that a long breakout, you mark out the regions that the coin has been bouncing off from. When you mark it out, then you target the breakout level, and once you break out, then you short it, or you break out, you long, break down, you short. It's very simple. Okay, so that's what I want to teach you in this video. Support and resistance should be your friend. Breakout and breakdown strategy should be your friend. See that the GMT trade is still pumping, is still making money. How many pips have we made since I do this trade? Since morning I do this trade, how many pips have we realized? If you short from 41, how many pips? How many pips? How many? So how many have we made since morning? It's quite something, So you check from here to here. This is 7%. 7%. 10x leverage, that's 70%. 70% with $100. That's $70, man. You have made money. You go away from the market. Sure you get. Guys, I trade this a lot and it's been working for me for so long. Okay, I'm not saying that other strategy doesn't work, but this particular strategy will help you. You will not struggle so much in it, and just trade it only when you see it happen. You can trade once. So guys, thank you for watching my video. And if you have question about what I just teach, please drop it in the comment section. I'll do well and answer it. Please, again, if you have not registered to MaskEX, do well and register to MaskEX. Tomorrow is Valentine and we'll have a campaign coming up. Please, I will also drop the link in the below. Register on MaskEX and I will take you as a person and show you what trading is all about. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next one.